Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonica like Stevie Wonder. We'll start with the fundamentals, covering how to hold the instrument properly to ensure a good seal for clear notes. Focus on isolating single notes, which is crucial for melody. Developing strong breath control is essential for a consistent and expressive sound, allowing you to play with confidence and precision. Next, we'll dive into expressive bending, a hallmark of soulful harmonica playing. This technique allows you to alter the pitch of a note, creating those iconic bluesy sounds. Practice both draw and blow bends, focusing on achieving precise pitch control. Adding vibrato will further enhance your sound, giving your melodies a rich, emotional quality and making your music truly sing. Now, let's explore some advanced techniques like overblows and overdraws. These allow you to play notes not typically found on a diatonic harmonica, opening up a world of chromatic possibilities. Mastering these takes practice, but they significantly expand your melodic range. We'll also touch on tongue blocking, a versatile technique for creating rich chords and intricate rhythmic patterns, adding depth to your sound. Finally, let's focus on emulating the legendary Stevie Wonder. His playing is characterized by incredible melodic improvisation, soulful bends, and a distinctive rhythmic feel. Listen closely to his solos, paying attention to his phrasing and use of vibrato. Practice playing along to his tracks to internalize his unique style and infuse your own playing with that same expressive magic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.